Hi, so this will be a big recording, I guess, or I'll try to split it into parts. We're gonna start with this my blog, and I have this tutorial over there for installing. So this is my mental notes basically, but I just do it quite properly. So we have cross-checked which Python version we are working on, and if the pip is not there or there, and which is the default version, we have installed PyCharm. We make sure that the interpreter is the base one. We are not using any virtual environment for this instance, at least. Um, and there was another details that I've added in my previous videos, so you can go ahead and look for it. So when we have done with all Python work and whatever IDE and everything is needed, what we will jump to is now install OpenCV. So there are two options. I can just go ahead and install the package itself, and just we do it as a root user, and just we can start using it. Or which the way I prefer is to do it from the source. So what we do is we install git, cmake and everything. So we're gonna start with that one. So what we're gonna do is, it will be a lot of pausing and starting one, resuming one, so it will take time, and I'll try my best to explain as much as I can. So this is first, which is cmake, and cmake is needed for when we clone some file. Those have sh file and configure files. So for installing and all that, we need cmake file. So this is installing. Then for cmake, for Python, we need at least numpy, and matplotlib you can install, but numpy is needed. It's like mandate one. So it is doing his part. So yeah, okay, done. So no pausing, I'll continue with this. So now we're going to install numpy. So best option to do is, first we'll deal with this guy. So okay, I have a problem. So what we can do, another one is sudo pip install numpy. And here we go. So this is another way. It's not a problem. You go at the Python level and install it, or you just do it this way via pip. It's not a problem. These are dependencies. So these are Python buildings. We need it. GTK support. So yeah, for GTK also we have to try. This helps in OpenCV for accessing media and your camera and matching up and all that. All need this. So this is installing, and speed is quite low, and I'm not sure why, but then it's okay. I'll pause for a minute, and once this is done, I'll resume it again. So pausing. So numpy is installed without any error. That is a good thing. Not sure even this will work or not. And yeah, we are almost at the same situation, but I guess I'm gonna skip this one, because yeah, I've done it previously. Even for these guys, you can try. So these are optional ones, so I'm not interested that much. Now let's try to install git. And yes, I may not have git do, so yep, I don't have it. So let's install it, and it's 33.9 MB. So good. I think it's almost done. We are unpacking, setting up, processing triggers. Say yes. That does take time. Then we'll try to clone this one. So this is the repository for OpenCV on Git. So this is done. The Git is installed, and now let's do this one. I didn't did sudo, but that's fine. because we have to be very sure while installing. We should go with sudo. So it's going to do the, it will be in current directory, so it will be in documents or somewhere. So I think I'll try with desktop. Then we didn't go to desktop. So OpenCV, yeah. Here it is cloning the default one, so we're at home, so we will get this at home. Oh, come on. So I guess it will take time, so begin pausing and then I'll resume it again. Thank you. I guess this is really slow and has a lot of items to be cloned. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish this one, and once this cloning is done for OpenCV, I'll start with a new video, because I'm not sure if the recorder will be able to hold this much. So that's all. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.